Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharda Devi Maths Classes. Today we are solving questions from 7 onwards in exercise 2b of exponents. So 7th question is simplify and express as positive indices. In the first sub question is a raised to minus 2 into b whole raised to minus 2 into ab whole raised to minus 3. So this is equal to a raised to m into b raised to n whole raised to p, that is equal to a raised to m into p into b raised to n into p. So like that a raised to minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus into minus is plus and 2 into 2 is 4 into b raised to minus 2 into here also a raised to minus 3 into b raised to minus 3, and this is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. Here bases are same, so a raised to 4 into a raised to minus 3. So a raised to 4 minus 3 into b raised to here minus 2 then minus 3. So this is equal to a raised to 1 into b raised to minus 5. We have to express this as positive indices. So this is equal to a raised to 1 is a, that divided by b raised to 5, as a raised to minus n is 1 by a raised to n. Now the second sub question is x raised to n into y raised to minus m whole raised to 4 into x raised to 3 into y raised to minus 2 whole raised to minus n. So this can be written as x raised to n into 4, that is 4n into y raised to 4 into minus m, that is minus 4m into x raised to 3 into minus n, that is minus 3n into y raised to minus 2 into minus n. Minus into minus is plus, so 2n, that is equal to x raised to 4n, and this minus 3n we can take. So minus 3n into y raised to minus 4m plus 2n. Then that is equal to x raised to 4n minus 3n is n into y raised to 2n minus 4m. That is the answer. Now the third sub question is 125 a raised to minus 3 by y raised to 6 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. So we can write this a by b whole raised to minus n can be written as b by a whole raised to n. So here also this can be written as y raised to 6 by 125 a raised to minus 3, that whole raised to, the sign changes 1 by 3. Now this is equal to y raised to 6 into 1 by 3 divided by this 125 can be factorized as 5, then 25, then 5, 5. So this is 5 raised to 3 into a raised to minus 3 whole raised to 1 by 3. Now this is equal to this 3 and 6 can be cancelled 2 times. So y raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3 into a raised to minus 3 into 1 by 3. Here 3 and 3 cancels, here also 3 and 3 cancels. So this is equal to y raised to 2 divided by 5 into a raised to minus 1. We have to express this as positive. So this is equal to 1 by 5 into a y square. That is the answer. Now the fourth sub question 32 x raised to minus 5 by 243 y raised to minus 5 whole raised to minus 1 by 5. So this can be written as 243 y raised to minus 5 by 32 x raised to minus 5 raised to 1 by 5. Here the sign changes. Now this is equal to, we can factorize 243. So with the 3 we can cancel. So this is 8 1, then 3 27, with 3 9, then 3 will get. So 1 2 3 4 5. 3 raised to 5 into y raised to minus 5 by 32. 32 can be factorized with the 2 16, and again with the 2 8, with the 2 4, again with the 2 2. So how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 raised to 5 into x raised to minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 5. Now this is equal to 3 raised to 5 into 1 by 5 into y raised to minus 5 into 1 by 5 whole divided by 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5 into x raised to minus 5 into 1 by 5. Now this is equal to, we can cancel this 5 and 5, this 5 and 5, this 5 and 5, and this also 5 and 5. So what is remaining? 3 raised to 1, that is 3 into y raised to minus 1 divided by 2. 2 raised to 1 is 2. Then x raised to minus 1, that is 3 by 2 into, now this minus sign we have to remove. So for that, this x raised to minus 1 can be taken to the numerator. So this is x. Y raised to minus 1 can be taken to the denominator. So that is y. So that is 3 by 2 x by y. That is 3x by 2y. That is the answer. Now the fifth sub-question is a raised to minus 2 into b whole raised to 1 by 2 into a b raised to minus 3 whole raised to 1 by 3. Now this can be written as a raised to minus 2 into 1 by 2 into b raised to 1 by 2. Then that into a raised to 1 by 3 into b raised to minus 3 into 1 by 3. We can cancel 2 and 2. Here 3 and 3. So what is remaining? A raised to minus 1, b raised to 1 by 2 into a raised to 1 by 3 into b raised to minus 1. Now we can take this a raised to minus 1 and a raised to 1 by 3 together. So a raised to minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into b raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. Now this is equal to a raised to 3 is the LCM, so minus 3 plus 1 into b raised to 2 is the LCM, so 1 minus 2. That is equal to a raised to minus 2 by 3 into b raised to minus 1 by 2. Now we can write this as 1 by a raised to 2 by 3 into b raised to 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Now the sixth sub-question is xy raised to m minus n into yz raised to n minus l into zx raised to l minus m. So this can be written as x raised to m minus n into y raised to m minus n into y raised to n minus l into z raised to n minus l into z raised to l minus m into x raised to l minus m. Now that is equal to x here, this and this. So x raised to m minus n plus this l minus m into y raised to m minus n plus n minus l. Then z that raised to n minus l plus l minus m. Now we can cancel this m and minus m. We can cancel n and minus n. We can cancel l and minus l. So what is remaining? X raised to l minus n into y raised to m minus L into Z raised to n minus m. This is the answer. Now the eighth question is, show that x raised to a by x raised to minus b whole raised to a minus b into x raised to b by x raised to minus c whole raised to b minus c into x raised to c by x raised to minus a whole raised to c minus a, that is equal to 1. So let us take the LHS at first. That is equal to x raised to a by x raised to minus b whole raised to a minus b into x raised to b by x raised to minus c whole raised to b minus c into x raised to c by x raised to minus a whole raised to c minus a. Now 1 by a raised to minus n is a raised to n. So using that we can take this x raised to minus b to the numerator. So that will become x raised to b. So this is equal to x raised to a into x raised to minus b whole raised to a minus b. Then this is x raised to b into x raised to c. So here this will become plus. Then this x raised to c whole raised to b minus c. This into x raised to c into x raised to sign changes a whole raised to c minus a. So now this is equal to, we can use a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n, that formula here. So x raised to a plus b whole raised to a minus b, that into x raised to b plus c whole raised to b minus c, that into x raised to c plus a whole raised to c minus a. Now this is equal to x raised to this a plus b into a minus b into x raised to b plus c into b minus c into x raised to c plus a into c minus a. Now we know a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. By using that we can write this as x raised to a square minus b square. Then this is x raised to b square minus c square. Then this is x raised to c square minus a square. Now this is equal to x raised to, bases are same. So a raised to 2 minus b raised to 2 plus b raised to 2 minus c raised to 2 plus c raised to 2 minus a raised to 2. Now a raised to 2 and minus a raised to 2 we can cancel. B raised to 2 and minus b raised to 2 we can cancel. C raised to 2 and minus c raised to 2 we can cancel. Then what is remaining? X raised to 0. X raised to 0 we know that as 1. That is the right hand side. That is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now the next question is 9th. Evaluate, that is to find the value of x raised to 5 plus n, that into x raised to 2 whole raised to 3n plus 1 whole divided by x raised to 7n minus 2. Now this is equal to x raised to 5 plus n into x raised to, we can multiply each of these terms with this 2. Then 2 into 3n is 6n plus 2 into 1 is 2 divided by x raised to 7n minus 2. Now this is x raised to 5 plus n into x raised to 6n plus 2. We can take this x raised to 7n minus 2 to the numerator. So that is x raised to minus 7n plus 2. That is the sign changes like this, x raised to minus of the 7n minus 2, that will become x raised to minus into 7n is minus 7n, minus into minus is plus 2. So that is how we got minus 7n plus 2. Now that is equal to x raised to 5 plus n plus 6n plus 2 plus minus 7n plus 2. This is equal to x raised to this 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus this 6n plus n, that is 7n. Then plus into minus is minus 7n. That is equal to 7n and minus 7n cancel. That is equal to x raised 9. So that is the answer. Okay, please practice the problems more times. Thank you students for watching the video. If you like it, please thumbs up, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.